Hey guys, it's Jordan. Welcome back to my channel and welcome to my new subscribers. Today's video, I'm sharing how to do waist length feed-in braids. I'm starting off by pre-parting my sections. I'm doing 8 feed-in braids and I'm gonna start by parting my hair down the middle. I'm using my Shine and Jam on the parts to help give me defined parting, and I also have a mirror in front and behind me to help me part the back of my head. After I part my hair down the middle, I like to put my hair up into 2 ponytails and apply a little bit of tension just to make sure that the line is straight. So starting with the right section, I'll be doing 4 flat twists on each side of my head. So I'm going to split this section into half. Apply some Shine and Jam to mold the parting. And then I'm going to split this section into half, apply some more Shine and Jam on the part, and then I'm doing a flat twist. So that will be 1 row already pre-parted, and I'm going to repeat the same steps to the other sections. The hair I'm using is the Zury Apple Cider Vinegar Wash 5 times pre-stretch braiding hair, and it's in the color 1. There's 5 bundles that come in 1 pack, and I used approximately 1.5 packs, so approximately 8 bundles of braiding hair. And to save me time on doing this hairstyle, I like to prepare the braiding hair before I start doing the hairstyle. So I'm taking small sections like so, and I'm laying them down on my tray so that the hair is handy and I can grab while I'm braiding. Alright, so to do the feed-in braids, I'm going to take down my first flat twist section, and this section is already detangled. I'm going to take out a little bit of sideburns since that's the look that I'm going for. Now I'm going to apply some Shine and Jam to the roots where I'll be braiding and use my rat tail comb to evenly distribute the product. Then I'm going to take 1 pre-sectioned piece of braiding hair and split it in half. I do this so that the beginning of the braid is not so thick and it will have more of a gradual effect. So I'm going to start by parting about 1 inch of my natural hair and braid it about 5 times before I add in my first braiding hair. I'm going to add in the braiding hair to the middle and right strands of the braid and then continue braiding down. I braid down about 4 times before I add in the next braiding hair. And I also have my rat tail comb and Shine and Jam handy to make sure that my natural hair is smooth while I'm braiding. So right around my chest area is where I'll add in the last piece of braiding hair so that it could be waist length for me. I added in about 8 to 10 pieces of braiding hair per braid. Here is the first braid completed. So now I'm going to repeat the same steps for the next section. Okay, so here I'm done braiding. I didn't show the back in this clip, but stay tuned for the final result at the end of this video. So now I'm swooshing my baby hairs using my Eden Bodywork 24-hour edge tamer. Okay, so now I'm going to take my Tropical Roots foam and I'm going to apply this all over the braids so that my braids can have some hold and shine. Okay, so the foam is still drying a little bit. It looks a little white, but these braids are looking good. Okay, so next, I'm going to take my Got to Be Free spray. It's going to really help to give you some hold, get these braids to last long, and also lay down flyaways. So I'm going to spray this all over my hair. It's a light, quick spray. Next, I've got my satin scarf. I'm going to tie up my hair and let these braids set. Okay, so I've dipped my ends in some boiling hot water. So I'm gonna let these braids set for about 30 minutes to an hour, and then I'll be back with the finished results. Alright, so that is it for this video. I love how my braids turned out. If this video was helpful to you, feel free to like this video, comment, subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit the bell so you're notified on my next upload. And I will see you in my next video. Peace out, guys.